welcome to Khloe's class. Hi, welcome back to Khloe's class. Today, we're going to make my favorite sandwich. We will need cilantro, lettuce, bread, and meat, or you could use anything else. And last but not least, I have pesto, and this is the bread I will be using today. So let's start. Put the bread right here. So we're going to put the turkey now. Let's put more. Don't put a little bit or it will not taste like it was the turkey. Now the last turkey. Now let's put the lettuce. And now let's put the cilantro. And now let's get the other bread and put the bread we just make on the side. And then put the bread on your cutting board. And now let's get the pasta. And now let's get our butter knife and let's spread it around on the other bread. Now let's get more pasta. Almost done. And now let's get the other bread. And now let's flip it. So this is what I spread. And now let's put it on top. You have to push it a little bit. And now you're done. This is how it looks like on the outside. And this is in the inside. And now we're done. I hope you have an amazing day. Have a good day. Bye.